I absolutely love Dollar Tree, but now that prices are going up, I find myself not being so quick to throw things in the cart anymore. And lately, I've noticed something interesting. Dollar General is actually lowering their prices section by section. Could they become the new Dollar Tree? Well, let's go price shopping and compare. Grab a coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. And we're going to start with the personal care products. This is where I think Dollar General is really winning with a lot of dollar items. And Dollar General carries a lot of the same brands that Dollar Tree carries. Now the Dollar Tree hasn't raised their prices in this area yet, so it's $1.25 versus $1, and all the items I'm showing you here are $1. This could be a huge savings if you need to do a big shop. They even carry some of the native dupes by Personal Care. Both stores have the same size of body wash, shampoo, and conditioner, but the scents will vary from store to store. And when it comes to any item, make sure to compare the sizes. Take these shower steamers for example. Same brand at both stores. Dollar General sells them for $1 and you get 4 tablets, while Dollar Tree sells 5 tablets for $1.25. So the price per tablet is actually the same. And for the essential oils, both stores have the exact same scent, but Dollar General will save you $0.25. Oh, and before we continue, and I forget to tell you, I'm having a giveaway. To enter, all you have to do is subscribe and comment. Every comment is an entry, and you can comment on any video. When I reach 2,500 subscribers, I'll be picking a winner. And now let's talk party supplies. Some trays and platters at Dollar General are only $1.50, and occasionally you'll get a deal at $1, where Dollar Tree has raised most party supplies to $2. If you need simple platters and bowls, you're better off at Dollar General. But Dollar Tree has not raised prices on tablecloths, plates, paper products, birthday candles, or plasticware. Dollar General has tablecloths for $1 and $1.50, but they have a lot of party-type products like cups, silverware, plates, and napkins that are only $1. Birthday candles were also $1, and they had a huge selection, so it's a bit of a mixed bag here. This category is one to keep an eye on and one to make sure you check if you're hosting a party. The next thing we need to talk about are the gift bags. Dollar Tree just raised their prices with designs on them to $1.50, but all sizes are included, even the extra large bags, which honestly is a great deal. But Dollar General, if you're looking for what I call the medium-sized gift bag, you'll only pay $1. This is good for a lot of different gifts, especially clothing, but on the bigger size gift bags, the prices go up quickly, and then there's a range between $2 and $6. Now let's look at the shreds. You can get them for $1 at Dollar General, while Dollar Tree is still $1.25. Now the spot where I think Dollar General takes the win here is with the tissue paper. They have a lot of varieties, colors, and the tissue counts are higher, all for $1. Are you enjoying this type of video? Please let me know in the comments if you'd like to see a part 2. Now on to the greeting cards. At Dollar General, they have the brand American Greetings, and all cards are $1, while Dollar Tree sells Hallmark, Heartline, 2 for $1, and Expressions by Hallmark for $1.25. I think either store is a bargain for cards, and they both do a good job with their big selection and quality. I don't think you could go wrong with either store. When it comes to laundry products, this kind of shocked me. I found so many of the same products at Dollar General for $1, and Dollar Tree just raised their prices to $1.50. So this is a big area where Dollar General is going to beat out the Dollar Tree. And in the cleaning supplies, they have rubber gloves for $1, and Dollar Tree is now $1.50. I heard the prices were going actually down at Dollar General for their cleaning supplies. So if you need a lot of cleaning supplies and tools like brushes and sponges, make sure to check there first. When it comes to candles, Dollar Tree wins hands down, as long as prices don't go up again. Right now, their prices range from $1.25 to $5, while Dollar General candles range from $4 to $7. I heard they have some for $1, but I haven't seen those in store yet. Another section Dollar Tree does really well is the makeup section. Right now it's still $1.25, and they are always improving their products and coming out with dupes for much pricier products. Plus, they always are bringing us name brand products for $1.25. And even if they raise the prices, Dollar General will have a difficult time competing. Their prices start at $2, and I saw a few items marked down to $1, but 95% of their makeup area is much higher than Dollar Tree, with products going as high as $10 and possibly even higher. I actually don't think Dollar General is even trying in this area, so it's Dollar Tree for the win. Another area that is going up to $1.50 at Dollar Tree is the kitchen area, and Dollar General could give Dollar Tree a run for their money here as well. I spotted several items that were $1 and a lot of basic items that people regularly need. Now, if you didn't know, Dollar General also sells dishes and glassware, and the prices start at $1. The problem I see with this is selection. At Dollar General, they really don't complete sets or have a large selection like Dollar Tree. It's kind of a mishmash of products, but we've all seen how well Dollar Tree does with the dishes and glassware. They keep it updated and fresh, they bring in lots of seasonal selections, and often can be compared to high-end stores like Pottery Barn with complete sets. So even with the $1.50 price hike, it's going to be difficult to beat Dollar Tree in this department. Now, I think Dollar General is trying to outdo Dollar Tree in the snack and candy aisle. I was surprised to see newly marked down items in the snack section. There were a few dollar price products, but right next to the snacks were so many different candy items that were now $1. So if you have a sweet tooth, are going to the movies, or need candy for a party, Dollar General is your one-stop shop. Here's just a quick look at everything. I think moving forward with the candy and snacks, it's going to be a comparison by weight and count. But right now, it's looking like Dollar General is the clear winner. Now, when it comes to sunglasses and reading glasses, Dollar General isn't even trying to compete. Dollar Tree has a huge selection of both for $1.50, where Dollar General glasses range from $7 to $10. Here are some random items that Dollar General has for $1 that you will pay $1.25 or more for at Dollar Tree. So, who wins? Honestly, it's a toss-up, and it really depends on what you're buying. But Dollar General is stepping it up and offering a lot more dollar deals in some categories. They are beating Dollar Tree hands down, and who knows if they will continue to do so. So it's definitely worth a trip to see what's new and reduced. But Dollar Tree still leads the area in candles, makeup, and dishes. So the real winner here? Us, because competition keeps prices in check. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.